I just spilled acetone everywhere.
Someone help me, Aiden is holding me hostage. He has fed me dog food for the past week. Hi YouTube, Aiden is trying to build a PC with the help of his chat. Like and subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment below.
Alright, here's the play. We're gonna do this. I'm either gonna mess it up or I'm not gonna mess it up, but that's what you guys are here for. This bad boy right here, chat. We have the, I don't want to drop this. All right. So we're gonna get this out. We're gonna build it on the box to be safe. All right. Oh, we got cables down in here too, actually. Oh, we got a lot of stuff in here. Stickers! I mean, stickers, chat. These are sick, bro. Do you put these on the motherboard? I would totally plaster up this motherboard with these stickers. Look at these, bro. Look at these stickers. I love stickers. I love stickers, chat. Wow, I didn't think they'd give you this. Oh, bro, it comes with a keychain. What the f? How sick is this? It literally comes with a keychain. I don't know if you've seen my car keys, chat, but we're gonna throw this bad boy on real quick to the car keys. Well, I would be fully nude and build it, but then Twitch would censor my toes, so I can't. So I literally can't. I would go full nude and then they'd censor my toes and ruin the whole thing. Nobody would watch. Now, always remember when handling the CPU to have very steady hands. Okay? Always. You don't want to be shaky or anything. Okay? You just want to get it in just right.
That's what she said.
Okay? So you want to line up the corners without being shaky because you don't want to bend any pins. And, no kidding.
Did you smack it?
I drop the CPU. All the pins go. Alright. Nice little pat for the boys. And the CPU is now in. So we're gonna do RAM and then the M.2. Alright, we got some G-Skill. RGB RAM for the extra 10 FPS. You guys know the drill. Alright, always remember. Still hands when you're putting it in. You cannot be shaky. Okay, I think I'm in. Can you feel it?
Stop. Stop.
I'm in! Wait, why does this one look different? I had it backwards. We're not talking about it. We're in! Oh. Okay, I didn't break it. Sick. You forgot to put step in front of that, Rising.
What are you doing, step bro?
Now we're moving on to the NVMe M.2 1 terabyte Samsung storage. You guys know the drill. Nope, that's the only spot it can go in, chat. I'm gonna break it.
Make sure there's a stand off below the M.2.
Oh, it's this thing. Okay, this feels more safe. This is more comfortable. Alright, we're on. I'm a man. I don't need this. I don't do instructions. I don't do maps. You ever been to IKEA? Never looked at a pair of IKEA instructions.
Yes, you have.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you have.
She's lying. Don't listen to her, chat. Can I get the mic to go down here? Oh, you guys, if I farted right now,
Stop.
oh my gosh, you would be done. It would be a 4D stream. Literally a 4D stream.
Club going up on a Tuesday.
Instructions unclear. Mike will never see sunshine again. Okay, so hose bottom. Installing the pump orientation. Do we have to install? Oh, we gotta put something on the back of the motherboard, right? I'm a man. I don't don't need this. I don't do instructions. It's not in English. I don't speak that language, my friends. There's no other language. Oh, wait, it was English. Okay. Alright, we're in. Haha, we're in.
So you have to wipe.
Oh, this is a tight squeeze, bro. We're in. Oh, that is sexy. That is a nut and a half. Dude, I don't even want to think about how bad this is gonna get when we get to like having a wire shot. Oh! I just spilled acetone everywhere. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's everywhere. I spilled acetone. I need a towel. Oh, it's like everywhere. Please hurry. It's all over my new mouse pad and it's turning it white.
Here.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that.
I'm getting a towel.
Oh, it's all over me. My skin burns, chat. I'm transforming. Did it pull the paint off the case?
Here.
Oh, don't tell me it's like all over my lap.
It will evaporate soon, he said.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it went everywhere. Oh my god.
What can I do?
I don't know, but I think my superpowers are coming on. Oh my god, no, the leather's like burning off. Oh no, that's so bad.
Colon A.
1 hour later.
Oh my god. Chad, if you think I'm happy, I'm not. I'm not even to the heart. Oh my god.
My last bit say rifle train goes stitched woo woo woo
I don't like it here.
the ting goes scraw pap pap car skidiki pap pap and a poo poo pow doom skier do do coo coo doom doom poom poom do done now. Hey Aiden's neighbors, how are you?
Stop
I'm having a good day and I hope you are too.
Stop, chat.
Hey Aiden's neighbors, Aiden is streaming, so don't mind the TTS, we are vibing. Have a great day.
They're gonna go knock on the door. Hey yo. Chat, I can't tell if I like you guys right now or not.
Don't come knock on the door, Aiden is shy and will get scared.
Stop
we love
it.
you.
Oh, I don't like you guys at all right now. Oh, they're gonna give chat. No, stop it!
Someone help me, Aiden is holding me hostage. He has fed me dog food for the past week.
Dude. Oh. Facts, banana. Free healthcare, free housing, and food, and he's complaining? What a guy. Fine, I'll just take my dog food and go elsewhere. Hey.
Hi YouTube, Aiden is trying to build a PC with the help of his chat. Like and subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment below.
You heard the man. You heard the man, chat. Clip it. Okay, so we got everything screwed in. Fans are in. Hoggers, cooler, motherboard, everything's screwed down. We're gonna stand it up and see if the motherboard falls out. Let's get it. Look at this babe. Oh my god. That is sexy. That is a sexy build, chat. Where'd the Andy go, Los? Oh, there's still screws in here. There's 2 screws still in here from earlier when I dropped them. I got them. I got the screws from earlier. Okay. On to unboxing the PSU. I've never unboxed a PSU before, so I'm excited, chat. Let's get this camera angle down here. Let's get this mic out of the face. We have the RM850. Dude, I love the style of this. Their brand is sick. That piece of paper said important information, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Honestly. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that and pretend like we didn't see it. We need a 24 pin for the GPU. Okay, I know that. Here, cause I don't want. I've never used a modular PSU before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. What do I do with this thing? Do I have to plug this in too? Does this have to get plugged in down here as well? Right here? Like this? I guess so. I guess we'll do it. Extra power. More speed. More power. Okay, so this is the 24 pin connector. Okay. Wait, this doesn't fit. Oh. I'm an idiot. Wait, so this is what's confusing me. Does the fan go up or down? Fan goes down. Chat has spoken. We vow la resistance. Thank you, chat. Wait, don't I gotta run these cables before I put the PSU into the motherboard? Or how's this work? This is rough, man. I don't know where to begin with this, honestly. Okay. Alright. CPU is in. Alright. I don't know how to, yeah. Don't these trays like slide out or something? And then you screw it in? Oh man, I'm throwing so hard right now, actually. I'm actually throwing so hard, chat. Don't these trays come out and then you screw it into the tray and slide it in? I guess not. I guess I just put it in, huh? It is a 3 terabyte, 7200 RPM, Barracuda. I see the screw holes. I'm just not gonna screw it in, chat, I'll be honest. I'm a man. I don't need this. I don't do instructions. I'm a man. I don't need this. I don't do instructions. Alright, man. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. The wires took 2 extra days to come in, so I had to get everything set up so that we could do our Twitch stream, but we're gonna take it apart and we're gonna finally get the complete build done with we're gonna do it with these bad boys right here. So I'm gonna start by taking off our front panel, our back panel, and we're gonna get these things wired. But yeah, if I look like I'm homeless, because I'm not homeless yet, but if I keep staying up making these videos, I will be homeless. My parents are gonna disown me. I'm gonna be honest. You're always in your room playing video games, making videos. You're up all night. Oh god. Imagine I broke this. That'd suck. At least it'd be on camera. Alright. Front's off. Put the screws in the drawer. Let's get the back off real quick. Wow, I really screwed that on like an idiot. I'm excited for this, bro. I'm excited. Now, I would be lying if I said this was easy, because this was not easy. And you would think that running the sleeved cables would be the easiest part of this build. But I'm going to be honest. I got these big hands, man, and they did not want to fit in any crevice. And I never thought I'd have to say that. But they just weren't going. But it took me about an hour. I was on FaceTime with my girlfriend, so a lot of this is muted because she's also having some PC technical difficulties. And it made my night miserable. Now, at this point, I realized there was this hideous little dongle cord that was gonna hang. And I spent a good 20 minutes trying to just figure it out. And I came to a solid defeat and just left it. So we have this cute little cord that's gonna hang here.
but we're gonna name him like Jeremy or something. I don't know. Not by any means the prettiest, but it's cute. All right, and it should get the job done. So we're gonna run this PSU cable over here, and I'm gonna sit here and just cross my heart, hope to die, baby. Let's get it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. If it works, we'll get everything plugged back in, and I'm gonna still cry myself to sleep tonight. So we're gonna flip on the PSU. PSU is on. And yeah, we're gonna full send this, man. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. We got boot, we got airflow. So, come on, baby. We got RGB rainbow puke. Plus 50 FPS. Let's freaking go.